July 24 will be exactly 10 years since former President John Evans Atta died. We understand that on that day, there will be a special event that will be held here at the Asomdwe Park. That will be a reopening of the renovated park. The reconstruction is currently ongoing. It's that reconstruction that has given rise to news that has made rounds suggesting that the tomb of the former president has been tampered with. We've picked intelligence from individuals who are closer to the reconstruction works who indicate that that is not the case, and that simply a wooden covering which has been taken off to make way for a concrete construction to be undertaken as part of the beautification process. And so they have expressed surprise at that suggestion that has been put out in the public domain. They make the point that persons who are closer and within the family of the former president are quite aware of this reconstruction that is taking place. And so this is the situation here at Asomdwe Park. Reconstruction is ongoing ahead of the 10th anniversary celebration on Sunday, July 24. For joining us from the Asomdwe Park, my name is Joseph Akable.